have finally decided to wax, shave, whatever, get rid of the hair under my arm and probably some other parts of my body. So I don't even know why I'm giving you guys this information, but I have not waxed or shaved or whatever it's called. But technically I'm waxing. So I have not waxed in about 6 weeks, which is long for me, to be honest. I usually wax once a month, usually enough, because the hairs don't grow out for about 2 weeks. Then they start growing out slowly by the 3rd week, and then by the 4th week, it's like all of them just say once you're ready to go and bam, they're all out. Then I wax again. So my wax routine happens once every month. But this time around, I've been dragging it because I wanted to film this video for you guys. I wanted to show you guys how I wax. My armpit is an embarrassment right now. You guys can see there's plenty hair there. Embarrassing, but we're the shameless gang, okay? We don't care. I think I just opened my button. Shasha, I'm going to be waxing today. So let me just show you guys the prep and like how I prep my wax, the actual wax that I use, and then we'll get to the routine quickly. I don't want this video to be too long. It's basically my waxing routine. So depending on the temperature of where you store your wax, it can be strong to bring out, but don't worry, it is very easy to melt, and you guys will see me do that in just a minute.
All I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart.
So all you need is hot or warm water. I normally use water somewhere in between hot and warm. You know, it's not very hot and it's not too warm, so that it melts fast. So I just make sure the water is not too hot, and I just put my wax in it and leave it there for a few minutes, and the wax is going to melt enough to use. You guys can see the wax is melting, almost enough for me to be able to use it.
A little later.
So the wax is way softer. You guys can see it's going to be very easy to use now. It's no more as strong as it was when I just brought it out the container. This quantity is usually enough. To be honest, I'm not going to finish this today. You guys will see. Sometimes I just finish it because I don't want it to waste, but it's not because I had to finish it. So you guys get what I'm saying? So I'm just going to leave it inside the warm water a little bit more, because I want it a little bit softer than this. Okay, so before we start, I already showed you guys, but let me just quickly talk about the Yemi Abiodun Cosmetics Wax Kit. Absolutely in love. I think I've been using it now for a little over a year. I can't remember the first time I made a video about this brand. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This is my, is it second or third? I think second though. Just second one in a year. Like, it goes a long way. And the other bottle I had was actually the smaller one. This is the bigger one. It goes a long way. It's almost getting to half now, and I've used this a number of times. Sometimes I even wax like my legs with it. I've never waxed my arms because no need. Sometimes I wax my legs with it as well as other parts of my body. I wax my bikini area, but not like bikini wax, just the sides. You know, the sides that show when you wear bikini. I wax that side and it's so painful. So it's not even something I like to do often. Anyways, if you've not tried this sugar wax out, you need to go and buy it now. Try it out. It is so affordable for the quantity you get. And it comes with the whole kit. So it comes with a powder that you guys will see me use the powder now. Strips for you to, you know, pull the hair out. It comes with this Aftercare sugar wax oil. Yeah, Aftercare oil. It comes with this. So I normally apply this immediately I'm done. Also comes with this thing. I don't remember what this is called. But sha, it came with this. I didn't buy this. I know I also have this ingrown hair / bumps concentrate, which is 2% salicylic acid to treat bumps. If you know you always get bumps when you wax or you're prone to bumps, then this is also good for you. Anyways, do check them out. I'm going to put their Instagram on the screen. This video is not sponsored. This is a product I've been using. If you've been on this channel, you will know that I have been using this for a long time. Okay, this video is not sponsored. Check them out. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. Let me just do the second round before I show you guys. You guys, at this point, I just take a dirty cloth. Please use a towel if you have a towel, but I just use one of my dirty camisoles, dip inside the hot/warm water that I used to soak the wax, and just wipe off the excess. You know, sometimes it's still a little bit sticky because the wax is sticky. So I just wipe off the stickiness, even though I'm just about to go and take my bath. But for the sake of this video, let us just do the whole thing. Okay, now drum roll please, you guys. I'm about to show you guys the junk, so prepare yourselves. Okay, this is it. I hope this camera is catching it well, but let me come to the side so I can show you guys well. This is all the hair that just came out. This is it. And this is the second two with little to no hair. You guys can clearly see a big difference. So here they are side by side. First one, plenty hair. Second one, little to no hair. This is what I have left, which can still wax at least 1 armpit. To be honest, this can wax 1 armpit. And I was actually packing. Yeah, I was packing a lot because I know that I will have to trash it when I'm done. So there was no need mizing it. I normally don't pour it back. That's why I try to gauge exactly what I need and bring out what I need. And that's my waxing routine. So now I'm just going to go and have my bath. Normally I will use the oil at this very moment. That's this Aftercare oil. But because I'm about to go and bath, I'm not going to bother. Then when I finish having my bath, when I come out, I'll just use the oil. I won't use deodorant right now. So I'm not going to use deodorant this morning because I just waxed. So I'll use deodorant in the evening. Yeah, that's usually my routine. I'm sweating, I'm so hot. My neighbor's den is on. Nigeria is a hustle. I'm gonna have my bath. I'll come out and finish this video.
Many minutes later.
Okay, so I'm done having my bath. So I'm just going to apply this oil. One thing I should say about this oil is that sometimes when you press it, it doesn't really come out because there are some things inside. Can you guys see it? It kind of blocks this strand, whatever, it blocks this thing. Can you see? It blocks it. So most times I have to open it and manually pour it on my hand. Aside from that, I love the oil. I like the smell. It smells nice. So I just rub it. And I just rub it like this. So I usually wash my hands when I'm done because I don't want to touch the oil on my face. But this is the after. Okay? This is the after. This is how my underarm looks after I wax. Okay, that is my wax routine. That is how I wax myself. I have not gone to the spa or wherever to get waxed in over a year, definitely over a year, maybe a year and 6 months. I have not gone to get waxed, and this product, it has saved me so much money because usually my dog, no, that's not even my dog, I think it's my neighbor's dog. Usually when I go to wax, by the time I do underarm, do legs, I normally wax my brows sometimes, my upper chin. I didn't do all that today because I kind of don't have the time. But by the time I finish all that, I'm paying like 30K or 20 something K just for waxing, whereas I can buy this one product for less than that amount, or maybe about, I can't remember. But if you're buying the wax alone, is way cheaper, like 6K, 8K, 10K kind of money. Anyways, I buy this product and I can use it for 1 whole year. 1 whole year. I don't wax my legs always. I actually want to try something where I wax my legs and see if my husband will notice, because I don't think these men care. I don't wax my legs always because I don't really care as well. I don't even know why people wax their legs. Tell me, why do you wax your legs? Like, why do you want baby smooth skin on your leg? But yeah, that is my routine. I always love the outcome. That's my underarm right now. I have some darkness from like bumps back in the day. From time to time, I'll still like react to something. I don't even know what, but that's all right. Okay. I love the outcome. That is what it looks like. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Don't sleep, wake up.